Hello, parade watchers, and we're back for Woody Woodpecker's A Giant Balloon in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Now, this will be a part 2 episode. Woody Woodpecker's next appearance was in 1988.
62 years of love and affection right here at the Macy's Day Parade. We're back in business. Woody Woodpecker, about my age. The guy who always has the last laugh is back for his 7th flight down Broadway. Was that you? You're fantastic, ventriloquist. That's marvelous. Look at her. Furnished by Universal Studios of Hollywood, the senior balloon of Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade has feathers, cream, and is all set as he goes down Broadway. This famous cartoon character is not one to throw his weight around. At least not while he's Woody Woodpecker here with his handlers. They have a real grip on this fella. I mean a real strong grip on him. Big Bird. Sandy, stop that. Monkey faster than thank you. Hey, go get him, Woody. Woody likes the folks. There he goes.
In 1989, Woody Woodpecker became the third balloon of the parade that year.
And from the legends of American folklore to one of the favorites of kids everywhere. I can't do it as well as you, Willie, but it's Woody Woodpecker. He's been in this parade longer than any other balloon you'll see today. This is his 8th flight down Broadway.
He's looking for Alf.
Yeah, well, Alf, you're there.
Was that Alf or Woody?
I think it was Woody.
I think it was Alf imitating Woody.
This is a rare bird. Believe it or not, this guy stands 75 feet tall. That arm span is 45 feet. Makes him look like he's going to lead one of those bands that's coming down Broadway here. He's furnished by Universal and has a platoon of escorts to make sure he flies right.
A lot of birds in this parade. A lot of birds.
Look at the escorts. I don't know if we've got a shot of it or not, but they're all little Woody Woodpeckers. And they're working hard.
Kate Fossa! Kate Fossa!
Oh, look at
I may get to touch
Woody's
Woody.
foot's going to come right here. Almost.
I usually have my foot in my mouth, but I've never had Woody's foot
Woody's
in my
foot in
mouth.
your mouth.
Hey, the best. The best. All
That's
volunteers, and remember, these are the folks that put this show together. This is 99% volunteer, this whole parade.
Yeah. Terrific. Oh, look, there's Paddington Bear.
His next appearance was in 1990.
Celebrating his 50th birthday is Woody Woodpecker.
Get ready.
Furnished by Universal Studios in Hollywood and Florida. A favorite with everybody, especially the kids. He's been in this parade since 1982, and usually you can hear him coming from miles away.
I think I hear him now. Stereo mouth.
That's
Look,
good,
that
Willie.
bird.
I think you got a second career if things at TV ever slow down for you.
I think that's a good thing, don't you, Dick?
I don't think you're in any danger at all. No, not a bit. And the folks behind Woody Woodpecker are in no danger either.
His next appearance was in the 65th anniversary parade in 1991.
You want to hear me do it? Here goes. Ready? Watch this.
There goes my career.
That's Dick Snyder, the truck. I think he needs help. Love that bird, and so do a lot of other people. Hey, quite a ventriloquist. Hey, Woody is furnished by Universal Studios of Hollywood and Hollywood, Florida, of course. Taking his ninth flight down Broadway today. You know, Katie, these giant balloons are made in several different sections. So if Woody were to spring a leak in one section, his beak or his whatever, that doesn't matter because there's enough hot air all over to take him upward. Only kidding. The helium would keep him up. Don't you worry about a thing. His beak will not be worse than his bite. That's a little Ben Franklin said. Look up. Oh, isn't that good? Hey! Get him up there, Woody baby! Those Macy's handlers never let us down. Look at it turn the corner. That's, you know, the only problem there was he could never stop or pass by Macy's without wanting to stop and go in and shop. Because he knows he gets the best pies in town. He wants to go in and do his Christmas.
Woody's looking pretty laid back this morning, isn't he?
Well, it was a bad night last night.
Watering the flowers on this charming...
His next appearance was in 1992.
Anything could happen on this bus.
Okay, Willard.
There he is, Waterlands' special guy. That's so silly, gets me every time. You got it. You ready for it?
All right, go ahead. Do your imitation, Willard.
We know we're hot. Love That Bird, furnished by Universal Studios of Hollywood and Florida. You know, Woody Woodpecker's back for his 10th flight down Broadway today. Woody's a big favorite with the kids, and all the giant balloons Macy's Balloon Cruise puts it together in separately sealed sections. But don't you worry, if Woody hits a tree or a building while he's coming down the parade route, he can still fly. What a fabulous bird.
Beauty and the Beast invite you to the castle, and Goofy premieres as a giant balloon when we come back live on NBC.
In 1993, they had to lower down Woody Woodpecker so that way he would not hit a tree or into a street lamp like Sonic the Hedgehog.
And Willard, now there's a fine feathered favorite, Mr. Woody Woodpecker himself. Looks like a little slow going for the Woodman. With arms measuring 45 feet, Woody could use a few extra hands himself. And there they are, 35 robust handlers. And speaking of Woody wannabes, Willard, you're on. Woody's sounding a little sick this morning, Willard.
It's cold, man. My vocal cords are froze up. So they're
Now
going
that's the ticket.
That's the ticket. Wasn't bad, was it, for no rehearsal?
No, it wasn't bad at all. We're starting to warm up here a little bit, aren't we?
Big Daddy will keep you warm. I'm telling you, I'm the Paul Prudhomme announcer.
Thanks, honey. What's the temperature today, you think about?
Let's see, I can check. 38 degrees. The wind is out of the northeast at 15. I'm the slightest day. Where's Al Roker now that we need him?
Willard, we really should hand it to all those balloon handlers. They're doing a terrific job, and this is no easy task. They're specially trained to handle these giant balloons, which are all 5 or 6 stories high, believe it or not.
Unfortunately, guys, that will be it for part 2 about the famous laughter Woody Woodpecker. See you next time. Bye-bye.